What is a 12-panel drug test in Michigan? If you are facing a license restoration hearing, probation supervision, or a drug-related criminal case in Michigan, a 12-panel drug test could be one of the most consequential pieces of evidence in your entire proceeding. A 12-panel drug test screens for 12 specific controlled substances, including marijuana, cocaine, opiates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines, barbiturates, methadone, oxycodone, PCP, propoxyphene, methaqualone, and MDMA. Michigan's Secretary of State Office of Hearings and Administrative Oversight specifically requires a 12-panel urinalysis drug screen as part of the evidence needed for driver's license restoration cases. Courts in Oakland County and throughout Michigan also order this test during pretrial release, drug court programs, and probation monitoring when prescription or controlled substance use is a concern. It is critically important to understand that a 12-panel test does not screen for every substance. Alcohol requires a separate ethyl glucuronide test, and fentanyl, tramadol, kratom, and synthetic cannabinoids are typically not included. The testing process itself follows a strict two-step protocol designed to protect the accuracy and admissibility of the result in Michigan court proceedings. The first step is an immunoassay screen, which rapidly detects drug metabolites in the urine sample, but can occasionally produce false positives due to chemical cross-reactivity with similar compounds. Any positive initial result must then be confirmed through gas chromatography-mass spectrometry, or liquid chromatography tandem mass spectrometry, which identify the exact molecular structure of the substance and eliminate false positives. A result is not legally considered a confirmed positive until it passes both stages, which means a failed initial screen alone cannot serve as reliable evidence in a probation violation or license restoration hearing. Every substance on the panel also has a specific cutoff concentration threshold, and any amount below that threshold is reported as negative, even if trace levels of the substance are technically detectable. For OHAO license restoration matters, the laboratory report must include the cutoff levels used, and at least 2 specimen integrity variables, such as specific gravity, creatinine, or pH. Instant tests are not accepted. Chain of custody documentation is required throughout the entire collection and testing process, meaning every person who handles the specimen must be recorded to ensure the result is admissible in court. If you receive a positive result, understanding whether the confirmatory test was properly conducted and whether the correct cutoff levels were applied can be essential to challenging the outcome of your case. An experienced attorney who handles drug-related charges, probation violations, and license restoration proceedings in Oakland County can help you evaluate every aspect of the testing process and build the strongest possible defense. Michigan defense law has represented clients throughout Oakland County and Michigan in cases where drug test results carry serious and lasting legal consequences for their freedom and driving privileges. Paul J. Tafelski is a lawyer with over 25 years of experience guiding clients through the complexities of drug court requirements, probation hearings, and license restoration proceedings in Bloomfield Hills and beyond. Whether you need to understand what your required test covers, how to challenge a disputed result, or how to prepare documentation for an OHAO hearing, this law firm is ready to guide you every step of the way. Call Michigan Defense Law at 248-451-2200, located at 2525 S Telegraph RD Suite 100, Bloomfield Hills, Michigan 48302, to schedule your consultation today.